Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have another rice water video, you guys, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply my rice water to my hair. So I made my rice water last night. I added a little bit too much rice, but I made it last night, and if you watch any of my other rice water videos, you know that I don't like to leave it sitting for too long, but this has been sitting for more than I think 6 hours, so I know the smell is not going to be good. So what I'm going to do is transfer this water into this bottle, and I'm going to do it off camera because I don't want to make a mess, and this is smelly. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'm gonna come right back. Okay guys, I'm back, and I've transferred my water into here, and all I'm gonna do is get rid of the rice. I do not save the rice. Okay, so I have my rice water in here. So what you're gonna do, you can section your hair off. I have my hair in 2 sections, but you can section your hair in 4 sections, 6 sections, however many sections you want to section your hair off in. Now it's best to kind of do this in the shower, but yeah, I'm doing it. Well, I'm gonna try to do it all together. Well, I'll just start in the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and start spraying it into my scalp. And this is messy and smelly. Oh, don't forget a towel or a t-shirt. I got me a t-shirt, so, because it's gonna run. So just want to spray it on your scalp and down the length of your hair. So I'm gonna get my ends. Ooh, it's messy. Then I'm gonna take this piece down. All over. So that's pretty much that, and then you just want to take it and kind of just twist it up back out of the way. Okay, now if I was in the shower, I would be using all of this, but I'm just showing you guys. So I'm gonna repeat it on this side. Oh, this is extremely messy. So I'm gonna take this shirt and bring it over here, and I'm just gonna repeat it. I should have got a towel. Just pin that up. It leaks so bad. I'm just gonna go down the whole head. Alright. And none of that is going to waste. I'm going to use all the rest of it. I just want to show you guys. So you just want to make sure you get it all in your scalp, and then all down the length of your hair all the way to the ends. And then you just want to twist it back up, and uh-oh, got hair in the back. and just get it out the way. But like I said, this will be a lot easier if you do this while you're in the shower. Whole lot easier and not so messy. So yeah, and then the rest, if I was in the shower, I would just spray it, or I would just open the bottle and just pour the rest onto my hair. So let's get some more on this side. I already made a mess, so yeah, that's basically what you want to do. So what I'm gonna do is just let this sit on my hair for about 20 to 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna rinse this out. So yeah, there you go, you guys. So basically that's how you do this. And like I said, I have like 2 or 3 other videos on rice water, so you can find out more information on it if you would like to. But yeah, this is how I apply it. I'm just going to let it sit, and I'm going to rinse it out. So yeah, I hope this video is helpful. If you have any questions, please leave me the questions in my comment section. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And I'll see you guys in my next video.